Dear friends, wish you happy Independence Day to all. Today, entire nation is celebrating the Independence Day, and on this pious occasion of Happy Independence Day, I thought to come live on this platform and to express my wishes to all of the friends on Facebook. That is the Happy Independence Day. However, today we are facing a very unprecedented scenario. We are living in the most difficult times, and of course, these are unprecedented days in everybody's life because this pandemic that has entered into our lives globally is perhaps the first time in our lifetime, almost every one of us. Now, slowly the governments are coming with new ideas. They may say they are policies, and one such idea is to push the people or to indirectly coerce the people to get vaccinated, and at the same time what comes out now is that the people who are vaccinated are also being tested positive. Just a day before, the NDTV has reported that around more than 2 lakh cases were those who were vaccinated. Recently, World Health Organization also issued a statement that those who have taken AstraZeneca or Covishield should be alert because they may face the GBS symptoms, that is Guillain-Barré syndrome, a kind of neurological problem. So these are the things which of course create doubt in our mind regarding whether to get vaccinated or to wait for some time, because still it is on experimental basis. The government has authorized only on emergency use, and the government has not published clinical data, trial data to the public. In this situation, when vaccinated people are also getting tested positive, unvaccinated people also get tested positive. Under this scenario, the common sense has a question: what is the positive effect of the vaccination? If admittedly vaccinated or unvaccinated people are also positive or getting tested positive, and if they get tested positive, then vaccinated people are also super spreader. In fact, recently the High Court of Guwahati, while dealing with a case where the government had made it mandatory to get vaccinated in case of certain employees, and the employees had come to the High Court, and the employees questioned the policy of the government. In that matter, the High Court of Guwahati not only set aside the policy of the government, the notification of the government, while doing so it said that the vaccinated people can also be super spreader. If the vaccinated people can be also super spreader, there is no question to discriminate between the vaccinated or non-vaccinated people. Now in Maharashtra also, the government has come with the similar policy that vaccinated people shall be allowed to take a travel by the local trains within the MMRDA region, and similarly all the establishments, shops and offices etc. have been directed to ensure that their staff is also vaccinated. At the same time, when a question was raised in the Lok Sabha as to whether government has any scheme of providing compensation in respect of the side effects arising out of the vaccination, the health minister of the central government, in response to this query, categorically stated that because vaccination is purely individual decision, it is not compulsory, it is not mandatory, there is no scheme for providing compensation, which means in case we get vaccinated and we face the side effect, then government is not going to compensate us. There are many RTI applications or the RTI information which have been provided by the government in response to applications, wherein the government has categorically said that it is not compulsory, vaccination is not compulsory. So at least on paper, government keeps saying that vaccination is purely individual decision, it is optional at the liberty of individual. However, in practice what we see is that the government is indirectly trying to coerce the people to get vaccinated. Dear friends, our constitution is a great tool which has been provided to us by the constitutional makers way back 1950. It is such a powerful tool that it protects us not from the mighty government of the country but also from the mighty power of the entire world. Whatever may be the reason behind coercing the people to get vaccinated by way of coming with such policies or putting terms and conditions of getting vaccinated in case of local travel, in case of attending the shops, establishments, offices, the constitutional makers have made a provision that is right to equality. Our courts have always risen to the occasion and protected the liberty granted by the Constitution. Equality, liberty and right to life. These are three fundamental rights guaranteed to us by Article 14, 19 and 21. And courts have always risen to the occasion to protect and to uphold these values, these fundamental rights. At this point of time, when we celebrate Independence Day, again there is a time for the courts, there is a time for the alert citizens to protect the liberty, to protect the life, because life is the most fundamental. If there is life, there is everything. So dear friends, in this regard, we the citizens, while celebrating the Independence Day, must keep in our mind that our liberty, our life is to be upheld, and in whatever way we can contribute, we must contribute. So with this short message, dear friends, I would like to say goodbye.